What's going on, guys? What's going on? What a crazy day today in the market, huh? Just pretty wild. Let's see. How did everybody do today? Green day for me. Evening, Kevin. How you doing? Green day for me. Trade some Tesla put options, and honestly, I didn't capitalize on it how I could have, but still a really nice green day for me. And the chat room, we were killing it there. The daytraderchatroom.com. How did everybody else do today? How'd you do today, Kevin? Guys, do me a quick favor, smash that like button for me. Let's go ahead and start bringing up the charts here real quick. So let's go ahead and bring up the charts here. Gotta get rid of these. These are the, gonna move these out so we can get into the charts. These are the trade ideas scanners, guys, just in case. If you're interested in those, here's a 15% off coupon code. I'll drop off a quick 15% off code here for you on trade ideas. And we'll go ahead and move the scanners out of the way so we can look at the charts. Let's get these out of the way. Let's full screen this. Let's move over to the SPY. Oh yeah, you're not kidding, the beast. The Fed. The Fed, man. Honestly, it's pretty crazy the move that we saw today. Yo, the trading yoga girl, what's up? Sabrina. Vask Tech. Hold on, let's see what that is. Vask. Okay, that's just like a 5-cent stock. Nope. We are not pumping stuff like that on my stream. Remove. Evening, Harry. Martin, nice. Green, a bunch of scalps. Good job. Nice work. Nice work getting on those scalps. Oh, the watch list. You guys are all over the watch list this morning, man. You guys really killed it. That BFRI, you guys nailed that BFRI right off the watch list. The exact levels. Man, this thing made a move. This thing made a really nice move. Remember, we talked about it. That short squeeze that could take it towards, you know, $7.98. And well, there you go. You got exactly that move right off of that 660 that we talked about. You know, it sold off at the end of the day. I didn't trade it once. You know what? I'm happy I didn't trade it once. I'm 1000% happy I did not trade it once. And I'll tell you why. This is the level we talked about. We talked about 660 breaking. We talked about 736 being the first take zone. We talked about then 736 becoming a level of support. Where do we find support? Right there in the 720s, pretty damn close. And if you really want to get, you know, about it, there's 736, all right? And it went. And a bunch of you guys caught it in chat. I didn't touch it, not even once. And I'm glad I didn't, because I didn't want to hear nobody say, oh, but it was just a pump and dump. Nope. It sold off because there was no reason for it to go that way. Anyways, the only reason that happened was because 660 finally broke and shorts had to cover that position because, well, they didn't have to, but you know, shorts that actually managed their risk had to cover it because they were like, well, I can't hold it past this because then it's beyond my my risk. So you got to cover. And then that's what happens. You get that nice move. Yeah, I'm really, really stoked that you guys caught that. I really am. That was super exciting to watch and see happen there. While I was fighting with all the tech stuff on my computer, you guys were friggin' destroying that BFRI. Love it. I love it. Let me see if I can bring up that watch list real quick because I had to exit out everything earlier today. Bring up the watch list really quickly here. I'll bring up the watch list really quickly. Yeah, that was all you guys. You guys are just killing it today. Choppy on what? There was some decent movers. There was some chop for sure, but there was some really decent movers. Here, let me get the watch list real quick because I definitely want to show you guys this. So here's the watch list. Well, that's the weekly watch list. Let's go to, what's today? Monday, right? FHTX, PTPI, BLU, SGMA, BFRI. Guys, I think pretty much all of these except blue, or maybe blue hit as well. We're going to go check. All right, but look at this. Watch. PTPI. Watching $3 area to hold support. Could have room towards 4. Let's go to PTPI. Well, let's clean. Let's erase this. Let's recap some of this day. PTPI. What level holds support? Right here in front of 3. Bang. Where did we go to? 4. There, here, and even over 425 there. Right off the watch list. Look at the levels we drew here in pre-market. We talked about this in the pre-market live stream. Guys, those of you who are new here to the stream, I stream on every Monday through Thursday live on YouTube from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. So make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you're alerted when I go live. Tomorrow I'll be live again at 8 a.m. And that we analyzed in pre-market, okay? And not only was it in pre-market, remember I showed you the weekly watch list? Boom, weekly watch list right here. Where is it? PTPI. Boom. $3 zone has been clear-cut a line of resistance on the daily chart. However, has not pulled away from it. Instead, it remains in front of that $3. See if it can get over that with volume. We could see a nice short squeeze. Boom. You got the gap up above it today, the hold of front of that level, and the move towards 4. Now, what was the next one? Let's go back to the weekly watch. I'm sorry, the daily watch list. So we did PTPI. Let's do blue. Blue, we talked about holding the 750 area. It could have room towards 850 to 9, right? That's blue, BLU. Let's go watch that one right now, real quick. I'm gonna fly through these real quick. Blue. Let's scroll in here. Zoom in a little bit. We talked about holding 750, right? The 750 area for support could have room towards 850 to 950 areas. What is the low of day? 730s. Quickly get right back above what? 750. And where do we go to? The first move took it to 939. Okay, that's the first move. The second move took it to 984. Watch list. Has room towards 850 to 950. Oh. All right, what's the next one? Let's go. SGMA, watching for the $15 area to hold support, could have room to 1730. All right, it actually got well beneath 15, so it's not one that I even bothered to look at again, but let's go take a look at it. SGMA. SGMA. Let's see here, sells all the way off here to 13, and then we said has room to 1730. What is the high date? 1730. BFRI as the next one. Let's take a look. Well, what did the watch list say? BFRI watching for a break and hold of $6.60. Right? Watching for a break and hold of that area. Could have room towards 740 area. Beyond that, could have room to 10 with strong volume. 660 was the level. That's BFRI. Here's BFRI. We were talking about 660. Why? Previous support zone here on the daily. Turned resistance. Right? What happened when we broke above 660 today? There's your 660 level. We talked about it having space to what? 740, right? At the time, what was the high? After that 660 break. 740 to the penny. What? And then in the afternoon, boom, all the way to 825. And then it sold off. Guys, we did this during the pre-market stream. We did this in the Discord. All right, we did this in the Discord. We went over it in the Discord. Here you go. Come on by. Look, the Beast, Trading Yoga Girl, all from the Discord there. They know, they were there. They were trading with me live today. We were having a feast. I had one trade today. It was on Tesla. We'll go over that one real quick here. Now, this I kind of actually kickstarts the day. Well, not the day, the stream really. Why? Because I missed out on a few of those small caps, even though they were my main focus. I missed out on a few of those because they were moving straight up. A lot of them didn't give nice calm pullbacks into my support zones where I could actually buy them and be comfortable with for my style of trading. So it left me there thinking about, well, what am I going to trade? Oh, Michelangelo Corona, welcome to the Discord. Glad to have you. Have fun trading with us there. So it left me looking at Tesla because I saw Tesla kind of weakish. Today, when I stepped into the day, I did not have the SPY really on something that I was watching. I didn't have Tesla on watch. It wasn't even on the watch list. For the first time in a while, the only things on the watch list were small caps: FHTX, PTPI, BLU, SGMA, BFRI. These were all that I was watching because I expected today the SPY to be rather choppy leading into the Fed meeting. And we're going to talk about the Fed meeting here as we progress into the stream. Humberto's our swing trading moderator over in the Discord. What's up, man? How you doing? Where's Jonal at? I don't know where Jonal is at right now. He should be here as the moderator, but he's not. He's on thin ice, Humberto. I'm about to fire him and promote you. Anyways, guys, so that's all just a banter that we have in the Discord all the time between me and Jonal. Me and Jonal are business partners. He's my business partner and co-owner. So guys, I didn't have those on watch because I expected the SPY to be choppy. Why? Well, I expected the SPY honestly to not come back into this level, into this box, into this channel. I did not expect the SPY to really come back in there. I thought the SPY would be like 470, 471, 469, 470, 469, 470, 50, stuff like that. I expected it to just be in that general area. You know, I expected it to be in that general area. So I paid it no mind. I didn't pay any mind to the SPY. I didn't pay any mind to the Tesla. I didn't pay any mind to it. Why? Because in pre-market, I had not been privy to the news that came out of the UK regarding the Omicron. And since I wasn't, privy to that, I really didn't see it. I wasn't sure, what we could see transpire. So because of that, because we had that happen, it kind of like took me off guard when the SPY, let me erase this channel. Let me erase this channel here. When the SPY, and let's zoom back in here to today's action. When the SPY did that big drop all the way down here to 467.25, at that point there, I thought to myself, well, 467.25 will probably be the bottom, and then the SPY did that and went even lower, and I just couldn't believe it. And it was all basically because out of the UK we got Omicron news, and that Omicron news was 10 hospitalizations and 1 death. Okay, now that's tragic. It obviously is. That's never, that is tragic. Mark, what's up? What's up? Thanks for joining the stream. But I didn't know about that until well after the market opened. So what happened? I was just looking at it like, okay, well, we're getting a little bit of, action here. I'm going to go ahead and scalp some Tesla puts. That's what I did. And I'm not really a scalper. In fact, that scalp gave me 2 points in change on my best take profit. I'm not really a scalper. By my trading nature, I trade bigger setups. Had I known about that news out of the UK prior, my approach to this Tesla trade would have been different. I would have been looking at a bigger position, and I would have been looking for a bigger move where I would have scaled out of the position with a little bit more patience. Or I probably would have been looking at the SPY for some puts, but I wasn't privy to that news. Members in the Discord were actually the ones that were found that news a little bit later in the morning, and they posted it. So that was amazing, and I was super happy and proud to see that happen from the members. Here's a free Discord link for those of you who are tuning in and new to the stream here. So when they posted, or actually when they told me about the news, I looked it up and saw it. I was like, well, now this move makes sense. Now it all made sense, right? So Tesla, what I did was prior, right? I had not known about the news. So prior, all I did was just a quick little scalp. A quick little scalp right here. Why? We had this low, this previous low here in the morning at 985 and change, right? And we had came all the way down here to 975 zone. I expected maybe a bounce off of that 975 zone. So I was like, you know what? I'm not getting the pullbacks I want on most of these small caps right now. So I want to see if I can get a scalp trade on Tesla. I get on the microphone in the Discord and I tell guys, I'm looking for a scalp trade here on Tesla, and I'm just going to look to see if we can reject this 985 zone. So right here on this candle into that 23.6 fib, previous 985 zone, 9 EMA, okay, into that previous zone right there, which coincided with the bottom. Where's my arrow? The bottom of this candle back here. So it's a previous support zone. Okay, you'll see, watch, you see my crosshairs here on the daily chart. You see how a dotted line populates on the daily, on the intraday chart. You see how the dotted line populates on the daily chart on the bottom right. All right, look what happens when I line up right in here. Boom, right around that area right there, and back here, you get a little bit of a daily support zone right there in the 980s. 980 is about 985 and change, it seems like. So right in there, I went ahead, got my starter, then I added right here when we rejected, and then I immediately put 2 orders out on the ask. All right, I was in those at, let me go over to the Discord real quick. You know what? Let me just bring it into frame. Hold on. I'll show you the alerts from the alert section. Hey guys, do me a quick solid. You got 17 people watching and we got 11 likes. Help me out there, throw 6 likes on there, get this up there towards 17. So here it is. Here are my alerts. Long Tesla put option, 950 strike, December 17th expiration, in at 1470. Okay, I immediately put out an order at 1580 on the ask and I get a fill. And then 17 and I get flat at 17. Nice take profits. All right, nice take profits. And I got members in here that don't think that, oh, it's just alerts he put on there. No, I showed the members my actual broker with my orders, all right, and my profit. So I showed it to them and they're in here. Trading Yoga Girls, one of them, the Beast is another. All right, so my members are in here. They saw it this morning. So I get a piece of profit off right here and right here. That is extremely quick of a trade for me. That's not how I typically trade. This is kind of like plan B when I'm suspecting I might not be able to catch a trade today. I jumped in there, took that scalp, made the money and put it in my pocket. Because at the time I had no idea about the news out of the UK regarding the Omicron and the 10 hospitalizations and the 1 death. I had no clue at that time. Had I had a clue about that, I can tell you that I would have taken my regular size position. When I do a little scalp, it's that, a little scalp. So I decrease my size because it's not my go-to stuff. So I can confidently tell you what would have happened here would have been my entry in here, my first take down here, okay? My stop would have been up here instead of just 985 zone, all right? So I would have never been stopped out here. And then I would have followed suit with more takes as we extended. And knowing myself, I would have been flat probably in here, somewhere in there. And that would have been a home run trade, or maybe even a little bit of a grand slam trade. So I was in those options from 1470. And if I took off 17 here, I know in here we were in the 20s. And down here, we were probably in the deeper 20s. So that would have been a banger, all right? With like a good amount of contracts, you know, but we live and learn. I had no idea about the news at that time, you know, so it is what it is. That was my trade today. Booked a nice green day. The trade room, you guys were killing it. So I was really happy to see that. Then after that, I found out about the news, but then by then it was too little too late. You know, Tesla got a little bit choppy, and that was it. That was it. That was the trade for me on the day. But the team killed it on BLU, PTPI, SGMA, and BFRI. Absolutely. So I'm super stoked about that. Here, if anybody is in here new to the stream, whoops, trying to get you into the chat back in here. No, I would have waited. Here's the free Claudio. What's up, man? I would have waited. My entry would have always been. So knowing the news, I would have had two potential entries here. And you've probably, Claudio, because you've been with me for a long time, you've probably seen me take similar setups based off of the whole thing where the news and the TA line up for me, right? So potential entry would have been here on the VWAP breakdown. Okay, we get that failed red to green move right here. We get that failed red to green move. We break down on the VWAP. Probably would have taken my entry in there had I known about the news prior. But let's say I missed this potential breakdown. What would have been, Jerry? What's up, man? So what would have been my next? Love seeing the team in here. What would have been my next entry? It still would have been in here. It still would have been in there, waiting for what? The weak bounce, right? Waiting for that weak bounce. And we got exactly that. We got a decreasing volume, right? Big volume on the drop. Big volume on the drop. Smaller volume on the bounce, showing it's a weak bounce. I still would have taken it in there. Nice, man. Congrats on those trades you had today, man. You did really well. Yo, I love seeing the entire team in here. Well, at least part of the team in here. Love seeing you guys. Tell me, guys, write in chat there, how are you liking the daytraderchatroom.com? How are you liking the Discord? How are you liking the courses? How are you liking the live Q&As, the live trading, the live recaps, the live lessons? Put it up in chat there. Let us know how you're liking it. How has it helped you with your trading? Put it up there, because sometimes, people, they tune into the streams and they think that it's just a person talking, but the members are here. The members are in here. See, the trading yoga girl, love it. And Trading Yoga Girl just joined us. What was it, Trading Yoga Girl? Last week, I want to say. No, it was right after Black Friday or so. So you've been with us now for a couple weeks, right? For like 2 weeks now, something like that. You're back to green and your risk management is better. That's what's up. Umberto, great place. No BS here. Martin from the room, definitely a great room. You see, I'm telling you guys, just reading it, it gives me chills, because on my side of the stuff, right? What does it look like, right? It's just me here. Watch here. Let me grab. Wait, let me see. It's just me here. Oh, I can't move it. Talking to this microphone right in here, right? That's what it is. It's me just talking to the microphone. It's me talking to the microphone and, going over everything with you guys on the daily, right? So I never get to be on the other side of it, right? But when you guys type it up, it shows exactly what we do here. So I'm super stoked to see that. I really am. Let me see, what do we got here? Right, let me exit here. Trying to read some of the comments here. Fun room, everyone helps each other and supports each other. Yup, that's factual. I love it. You put a lot of work. There has been more content ever since you went to Discord. Each day there's a lesson and consistency. The real deal. Exactly. Every room has been a pump and dump except for Jesse. Where's just James? James, the Scalp King. James, I think James is working out. He loves to get his workouts in after the market closes. The Trading Yoga Girl Plus, he explains everything, and it's conservative on his trading. Process, not profit oriented. Exactly. Exactly. That's exactly what I'm talking about, guys. That's exactly what I'm talking about. That's what it is about, you know. And oftentimes most places, they miss out on capturing that, right? Which is the goal. The goal is education. Most places are all like, oh yeah, look at me, I made, you know, whatever, I made $2,000 today, I made $50,000 today, depending, right? Because all the profits are always going to be dependent on your risk parameters. And then they put, you know, or on slow days, God forbid, on slow days, they'll put on some crazy risky low volume trades to either pump it up or any sort of nonsense, when the reality is that all that does is teach bad habits. If it's slow and there's nothing to trade for my style, what do I tell you guys? I'm going to sit on my hands until something pops up. Until something that shows me that I should trade it is there. Otherwise, I won't trade it. And if I'm right, great, I make money. If I'm wrong, what's going to happen? I'm going to lose within my risk tolerance. And that's it. Rinse and repeat every single day, because trading should be about consistency. And it's like somebody wrote earlier, it's process oriented, not profit oriented. No. Exactly. I think like the last 2 days I showed my P&L because of the way the trades were, since they were outside of my go-to strategy. I felt like maybe some of the newer members will be like, what is this guy? So boom, I showed my orders. That was it. And the only reason it was outside of my go-to strategy was because I fell back to a secondary strategy because nothing else was setting up for me in my primary strategy, right? So I went after some conservative secondary trades. Said he sounds like you. That's that Miami accent. Oh man, that's that Miami accent. Jerry, I think you have a Miami accent, man. Exactly, the beast. Like the beast is saying, the profits come when your process works. That's exactly it. Exactly. Like Claudio's saying, risk tolerance is pushed strong in this room, right? Because risk management is absolutely essential for the longevity of any trader, especially a brand new trader that has no idea what they're doing, that is just learning. You know, I preach strong risk tolerance or risk management even when you're in the simulator, because that is the beginning of building the foundations that will get you to being a consistently profitable trader when you go live. Pretty similar, Jerry. So that's yeah, Claudio, exactly. So that's the foundation. You know, when you're in a simulator, when you're a new trader and you're trading in the sim, that's where you build the foundations that keep you protected, that keep you profitable moving forward. And those are the things that people don't talk about. Those are the things that people lack. And that's a discipline. The difference between, for the most part, the difference between an experienced trader and an inexperienced trader, apart from obviously the screen time, is the discipline and the emotional control. Once you learn technical analysis is technical analysis. Here, any other country, in front of any other screen, technical analysis remains the same. Okay? Anyone can learn technical analysis. Some might learn it faster than others. I can pick up a chart, and you guys have seen me in the room. Boom, boom, boom. Do technical analysis really quickly for you. Identify levels, support and resistance, identify head and shoulders, reverse head and shoulders, potential starting of reverse head and shoulders, okay? We do that in the room, right? And I do it quickly. That comes with time, right? But what really separates the consistently profitable trader from the not is emotional control, okay? And proper risk management, proper thought process, being process oriented. Do it well, Florida as well. Where's everybody from? Drop it in the comment section. Where's everyone from? While you're doing that, guys, do me a quick solid. You got 23 people watching the stream, 16 likes. Help me out there real quick and throw some likes up on the stream. I am originally from California, born but not raised in South Florida. And grab a quick drink of water. New York, New Jersey, Boss Nation from my mama. Oh man. Well, I'm seeing some new people in the stream. Welcome to the stream, guys. Swing by the free Discord, come hang out with us. Detroit, Michigan. What? I had no idea, Claudio. Dude, how did you land way up there? Dude, Jonah was just in Michigan not too long ago. I'm talking about like 2 or 3 weeks ago. Oh man. Trading Yoga Girl, New York. Really? I didn't realize you were in New York. Martin, Toledo. Here we go. Nice. Boss Nation. That was a good one. 24 watchers on the stream, guys. We got 19 likes. Let's bump those likes up a little bit here. It really helps out with the stream's algorithm, and that's all it is. Believe me, if it didn't help out with the stream's algorithm, I wouldn't even ask. Oh, every 3 months in Miami. Gotcha, gotcha. Gotcha. So those were the trades for me today, guys. Those were the trades for me. Nice green day. Joel and I could have fixed it both. You could have. Yo, Mart Trader, welcome to the Discord. Pleasure having you there. Looking forward to trading with you. Welcome. Oh, guys, before I forget, you see how I'm focused on the trading? I really don't focus on trying to grow the Discord like I should. We went over all those plans, we went over all those trades, all those setups, all those potentials, and I completely spaced out on next week, all right? Because I know there's some new people in the stream here. Next week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, the market's closed in observance of Christmas. So Friday the 24th, market is closed. But Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, we're going to be doing giveaways in the Discord every single day in the stream, okay? We're talking about tablets, okay? We're talking about trading scanners. We're talking about NFTs, potentially some watches, potentially free one-on-ones or some sort of membership giveaway. We're going to be doing those giveaways every day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and that's it. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, just 4 days. Jonah, guys, side admin, and he is my partner and co-founder, all right, business partner, co-founder of the daytraderchatroom.com. Guys, so we're going to be doing those giveaways next week in the Discord, but you got to be in the Discord in order to partake, okay? You got to be in there. Trading scanners, Roberto, we're not saying what they're going to be yet. We're not saying what they're going to be. Trading scanners. All right, so come on over and join the Discord. Ha! Jonah cannot unilaterally decide anything. I will veto it. So swing on by the Discord, guys, and hang out with us and have a shot at winning. Do it well, laughing. Oh man. No, it's good to see Jerry. Jonah, Jerry was actually asking about you. I mean, Jerry stepped into the stream. He said hi, and then immediately said, "Where's Jonah?" I know what's happening there. He knows that you're on thin ice and he's eyeing for your job, my man. I don't know. I'm going to leave it up to you two. Denied. The beast with the denied. Oh, man. So, guys, real quick, right? Now, what are my thoughts moving forward here with the SPY? All right. We have... Wait a second. I got to show you guys this. Hold on. I got to show you this. All right, so yeah, this is the Discord real quick. These are where all my trades are. Oh, those of you who weren't there or aren't in the stream, check out this trade that we did on the 9th on ISIG. Long ISIG, $29, stop 27.40. Some off 32.07. We got halted, all right, at 30 something, I think it was, or 31 something. I don't remember. Off 32.07, then 35, then I got flat 31.31. And that 35 was actually 35.15. That was a banger of a trade, over 6 points a share. Anyways, let's get on over here to the DTC trading floor and check it out. The beast denied. My guy. My guy. Oh man, guys, we have in the Discord, we started that Discord. Okay, the Day Trader chat room has existed since I think it was December 28th last year. We kind of did a little soft launch on the 28th, well, officially January. All right, we started off in a different platform. We moved over to the Discord because we wanted some more, how can I say this? More stream security in the sense of it being very, very stable. And we also wanted a chat room that could be accessed 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 7 days a week, 352 days a year. Okay, so we moved over to the Discord for that very reason. All our courses and everything still has remained in the dashboard, and we're still expanding that because in January we'll drop the shorting course and the video lesson library. I suspect, Jonah, what do you say, February? We should have all the new videos uploaded already, which would put us at what, over 300 videos, Jonah? What do you think? Drop it in the chat there. Let us know. That's what I'm suspecting. What's happening here? Jerry G says, on a serious note, I've been a part of this group for a hot minute. Jerry has been with us for a while, but this group is legit. Jesse, Jonah, and James don't just care about the P&L and after the fact wins. They care about you growing. Boom. Boom. I'm telling you. These are the members, guys. Yes, there is, Joel. There's a trial option. Absolutely. Here, let me give you the link. Here you go, Joel. You can sign up here and get your first 30 days for free. We only have 2 subscriptions. We have the monthly, which is the Discord, DTC membership, and then we have the DTC Pro, which is yearly. But you know what? Sign up there. Get your first 30 days for free in the DTC member area. You're going to get access to the stream. You're going to get access to the live lessons, live recaps, live trading. Okay, everything we're talking about, you're going to get access to all that. And then later, if you want to upgrade to the DTC Pro for the yearly, we'll go ahead and, you know, whatever, let's say you've been with us for 3 months, we'll prorate that. We'll prorate those whatever, $75 to your yearly plan. I usually don't like Discords, but Jesse's is very organized. You can give thanks to that to Jonal. My man Jonal, he fixed up that Discord quite nicely. Always defeat that demon, Claudio. So there you go, Joel. Yeah, we moved over to Discord, Jonal, because I wanted emojis. I've been hounding Jonal for emojis all year long. I'm like, Jonal, we need emojis and we need GIFs in the chat room. We need them. And then we moved over to Discord. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. Okay. All right. So what time is it? Oh my God, it's already 6:40. Look at that. Claudio Lopez right there, guys. Jesse and Jonal prorated my membership. Jesse's about helping us. Absolutely. Claudio was a monthly member. He was with us for many months. Many months. Jonal and me talked. We're like, let's prorate this man's membership. Let's get him on the yearly plan. Let's allow him to go through the courses. Okay? Get his learning done. Going through the quizzes. Boom. There you go. Hey, Jonal. Watch what I do. Watch this, Jonal. Watch this. Boom, I removed your comment. Oh my God, no, I removed you from moderator. Let me put you back to moderator. Guys, we're always having fun. We're always having fun. Yes, the trading yoga girl. Time flies when you're having fun. I think she's regretting it now with the GIFs. No, never. I love the GIFs. I love the GIFs. Oh my God, guys, I swear to you, I would stay here hanging out with you guys and talking shop and talking all this mad stuff. Oh my God, what are these people pumping this 5-cent stock? Go away. Go away. Remove. Remove and now put user on timeout. You're on timeout, sir. There you go. Boom. All right. So yeah, I would so stay here with you guys talking mad crap for like the next 2 hours, but I have to get off by 7 because I will not miss putting my daughter to sleep today. I haven't even had dinner, but I don't care about that right now. Let's talk a little bit about the SPY. Let's talk about a little bit about the SPY. Those of you still looking to join up, remember you can join here, right here, free Discord. The SPY, 5 a.m. Pacific time? What's 5 a.m. Pacific time? Ah, my dad's in the stream. Are you working? I'm always working, you know that. Big Dane, what's up, my man? Trading Yoga Girl, family first, you know it. Gotta be off by 7 so I can put the little one to sleep with my wife. That's happening. It's happening whether we like it or not. It's happening. Thanks for having the evening stream. Helps us stay shifters. I would love to do this exact stream every day, but I just can't. So yeah, I still do it. I still do it, and I'll do it every so often. Yeah, Jerry. Oh man. Claudio saying hi to my old man. All right. The SPY, guys. Okay, real quick. Fed meeting starts tomorrow, right? We're gonna knock this out. Fed meeting starts tomorrow, and then leads into Wednesday. On Wednesday, Jerome Powell is coming out, and first thing that comes out is obviously the report. Boom, that comes out. Then he comes out, he gets on the microphone, kind of like I'm doing, you know. Hopefully he has better audio system than me. So my man is gonna get on the mic and he's gonna say what he has to say regarding tapering, regarding interest rate hikes for next year. Regarding interest rate hikes, hold on. All right, so regarding interest rate hikes and stuff like that. So what's going to happen? Well, a number of things that I would be looking for and expect. Okay, today the SPY pulled back kind of nasty, but still within that channel we've been trading in for some time now. Disregard this weird giant wick. That's a misprint here after hours. Happens all the time. Okay, so the SPY stayed within that 470 to 467 zone. Tomorrow I expect, unless we get some wild Omicron news tomorrow where out of the UK we get a ton more hospitalizations and I hope not more deaths. Outside of that happening, I wouldn't expect the SPY to dump tomorrow. I'd expect an inside day. I'd expect some choppiness to happen with the SPY. Okay, so on Wednesday when Jerome Powell comes out, we gotta watch for two things. We gotta watch him to do an excellent job of easing and calming the market, something that could send the market higher and could send us right back into this zone and an attempt at pushing on the highs. I expected us to trade above 470 today. We did not. I expected us to trade between 469.50 to 471. We did not because of the Omicron news. Okay, but on Wednesday, I'd expect us to get up in here if Jerome Powell comes out and says, guys, yes, you already know about the tapering. Everybody knows about the tapering. We know that they're going to taper. We know that they're going to taper a little bit quicker than it had been anticipated. Okay, that's already pressed in. The market knows that. There's only two things that are going to move this market right now: horrible Omicron news coming out of the UK, okay, or that Jerome Powell comes out and says something like, "We're tapering. We know when we're tapering. You guys already know the schedule. We're going to end, let's say, by April, and then in May, we're going to start to raise interest rates, or June." If he couples it to where, and everyone knows this already at this point, if he couples it where the rate hike has to do with how quickly they taper, so it's like, oh my God, we're done tapering, we got to raise rates because inflation's out of control, which it is. If that happens, then we probably see the markets do something like this over a few days. All right, in my opinion, that's what I think we would see. Something like that, that'll take us back down to this 50-day moving average in these mid to high 450s. Okay, that's what I would believe to happen if he comes out and, for lack of a better term, screws the pooch. Okay, now I would suspect next year we get interest rate hikes quicker than expected. I suspect he comes out on Wednesday, he calms everyone down. He's like, you know, it's all cool. Don't worry about interest rate hikes. We're going to taper. We're going to be done by April, May, whatever. It's not going to be a big deal. We're at that time, we'll worry about looking at interest rates being hiked. If he says that, new all-time highs this month. New all-time highs this month. If he says something like that, as long as Omicron doesn't take over the world, new all-time highs this month. Now, what I suspect that he does that, and then next year, kind of like how my man in November was like, yeah, we got to retire the word transitory. The CEO of the word transitory said we got to retire the word transitory when we talk about inflation. That man, I suspect next year will be like, at some point, right, within Q1 to Q2, will be like, yeah, guys, as soon as we're done tapering, we're raising rates. I suspect that happening, right? And when that happens, we're going to get a nasty drop, and that's when I'm going to start deploying extra cash into real estate in the stock market. But anyways, that's something that I'll discuss with you guys in the Discord as we start to creep on closer. Another reason why you guys, are going to want to be in the Discord. So if you're new to the stream here and you're not in the Discord, come on by and join us, right? Now, I suspect that's what would happen. So this week, what I'll be looking for on Wednesday is Jerome Powell either keeping things separate and calm, cool, collected, being like, hey, don't worry about interest rate hikes. I don't see that happening anytime soon because we're worried about the taper. After the taper's done, then we'll worry about interest rates. If he says that, new all-time highs this month, new all-time highs this month. Alaskan Father, welcome to the Discord. Glad to have you on here. Welcome to the stream. Glad to have you on there. Looking forward to trading with you, bud. So, that's what I would suspect will happen on Wednesday, as long as Jerome Powell keeps doing the good job that he's been doing with his talks. My man used to fumble all over his words. Now, he's smooth. He's like a used car salesman that's been doing it for 25 years and can sell you the most busted Tercel in the back of the lot, for a premium. He's that guy. Okay, he's that guy. The guy's perfected the speech delivery. I'm about to try to see if I can hire him to just do my recaps for me on YouTube. Definitely be smoother than me. All right. So that guy, I think he hits it out of the park on Wednesday, in my opinion. But I manage risk, right? So I'm not going to step in there and buy calls today to hold him into Wednesday. That would be insanity. What if my guy wakes up on Wednesday, and he took a bet on Tuesday, he lost it, and now his buddy told him, well, you got to tank the market on Wednesday, right? You never know. Claudio. So, that's what I would expect on Wednesday. Okay, that's what I would expect on Wednesday, and we'll see if that's what happens. If that's what happens, I'll look for calls. We'll be in the Discord live. We'll be monitoring that. I'll look for calls, try to write them up to test the highs over Wednesday, Thursday, maybe Thursday, Friday, and that's it. That's how I'll trade it. Okay, and if it's the reverse, then I'll be looking at puts. All right, and that's it. But I'm not going to make a move on it until the time comes and we see what the guy says. All right. Simple as that. Now that you know what my plan is moving forward. Okay. Now that you know what my plan is moving forward here. You guys already know about the Discord. You already know about the giveaways next week. We got about 8 minutes left here. If you have any questions, any tickers, go. Like ready, set, go. Launch it. I might even be able to stay after 7 a little bit if it calls for that. So if you have any questions or any tickers, throw them up in chat right now. Now is the time. I'm just putting out a tweet right now. Putting out a quick tweet here. What happens when your dad doesn't believe you make bank, not selling drugs? He's randomly shows up on your job. Jerry. Oh my god, Jerry. Dude, I just got a headache laughing at that. Oh my god. That was a good one, man. Oh my god. Miami for sure, yep. You guys are a trip. All right, you guys are too much. The benefits of monthly membership versus Discord. Do it well. The monthly, okay, so on the Discord, if you just join the free Discord section, you're gonna get access to, let me show you. Let me bring up the Discord real quick. Okay, I'm gonna answer NVAX real quick as I bring up the Discord. NVAX, unless it comes out with Vax news, it has no reason to go back up. I think you have a shot at coming back down here to the low 100s. Okay, previous support zone right here on the daily. You have tremendous resistance at 200, being 200, and then you have the 200-day and the 100-day moving average lining up there. All right, so do it well. The Discord. You see the date. You see here it says DTC trading floor. Okay, everyone has access to this. Everyone. All right, you can see here everyone has access in here, and we talk all day long at all sorts of hours. And small cap moderator posts often in here, pretty much exclusively. He posts in here all his trades all morning long. Umberto posts in there all the time. I post in there all the time. I do not post my alerts in there. Okay, I don't post my alerts in there. Umberto and small cap mod James, they do. All right. Shrey06, welcome to the Discord. Glad to have you on there. You have access to that. Okay, you have access to the off-topic section. Believe it or not, off-topic section. You get action in here, people talking. All right, including me. You know, we were talking about mining crypto. That's my computer right there. All right, we talk all the time in here. As a matter of fact, look, if we scroll up a little bit, you're gonna see some of my weekend activities. My telescope and me trying to take pictures of Saturn. That is Saturn right there on the computer screen. Okay, so we're always in there. You got memes, okay? You have the bots here for the charts and information. So you get access to all that with the free Discord. You will not get access to the daily stream, okay? On Mondays, we stream for free, but you will not get access to the daily streams on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. You're not gonna get access to next year's workshop, okay? The way the stream works, okay? The way the stream works is I start streaming. The stream starts at 8:30 on the Discord. I get on the microphone at 9:15 to 9:20, and I'm on the microphone, and my members are here. A bunch of them are, not all of them. A bunch of them are in here, and they'll attest to this. I get on the microphone at 9:20 a.m., and I don't get off the microphone like officially until 12 lunchtime. That means I'm in there going over charts, going over questions, going over my trades, going over my alerts, going over the recap on the morning after I'm done trading, usually around 11:30. 11:45, a live lesson, okay? And then we break to lunch. Then at 2 p.m., I get back on the microphone. We start doing afternoon scans. If it's slow, we start doing afternoon lesson every once in a while, not always. And we do that every day of the week, okay? And that is what you would get with the monthly plan, the DTC membership, the $24.99 a month, okay? Not only that, you're gonna lock in that $24.99 a month price. You're gonna keep that. That price is not gonna be like that forever. A few months from now, a year from now, it's going to be $34, $50. You'll still pay $24.99. The other thing, okay, is the DTC Pro. The other subscription is the DTC Pro subscription, and that's the yearly plan. That gives you access to all the courses, the video lesson library that has hundreds of videos, okay? You also get all the courses, meaning Day Trading 101, Advanced Day Trading, options trading, swing trading. In January, the short selling course. You get access to all the courses always. Every piece of content that we come out is not an upsell to no one. Okay, so we don't upsell it to the monthly members because you can't get access to it. You can only get access to it to the yearly members, and they don't get any upsells. They get access to everything always. And the price is locked in, meaning if it's $800 and what is it now, $79? I have members that pay under $800 because we lock in that price. So if let's say you signed up for the DTC Pro plan today, at $879, a year from now, if that plan is $950, $979, $1,000, it doesn't matter because when you renew, you're going to renew at $879, right? So I kind of hope that helps clear that up for you a little bit. You can't see that far, seeing Saturn. All right, right now we have about 300 and change in members on the Discord. And about paid ones, I don't know, like 40, 50, something like that. Jonah would know. But we just started that. we just started that, you know. Jesse goes over any trade you want and walks you through it. Any stocks you want to go over, just call it. He doesn't disappear in the afternoon. I do not disappear in the afternoon. Worst case scenario, the only time that you will ever see that I might go MIA is during the summertime when I'm trading in the keys, and I don't go MIA. I will literally tell you my day's plan in the morning, what I'm going to do on the day. And that's because usually in the summertime, it's extremely slow afternoons. And well, part of trading is being able to enjoy your life, right? So when I'm down in the keys at the keys house, I have another property in the keys. I like to go fishing in the afternoon after I'm done trading. Sometimes at night. Most of the time, usually at night. One life, one chance. Smash that like button. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. I'm going like this because I got, watch, I got this thing in the way of my screen. So I can't see your comments. I can't see your comments. Okay, I can't even pronounce. I'm sorry, I can't pronounce it, but welcome. Srijith Pathuval. I think I might have said that right. Welcome to the stream. Glad to have you on there. So welcome to the Discord. Jesse goes on vacay in the summer. Only a couple months. And I'm there every day. Extra work for you? Only because Jerry's here. I'll text you back. Look, man. Hold on. Hold on. Before I go, because I could hear it. My daughter's finishing her little dinner. Before I go, watch this. Boom, boom, boom. That's not. Why can't I find myself? I think I found it. That's not me either. Well, that's totally not me. Be careful out there with fake Instagrams, guys. All right, I can't find my Instagram, whatever. I was gonna show you guys some fishing pictures. Nice, one life, one chance. If you guys ever want to rent a house in the Keys, it's already rented from November to April. So I can't rent it again because, well, once April's done, then I come on down. But yeah, if you guys ever want to rent a house in the Keys, let me know. I got one in the lower Keys. No, Jerry, this one has to make noise. It feels like, feels good, like. All right, guys. Any tickers you want me to look up real quick for you? Or any questions? Look, Q&A here. You got a few minutes left before I gotta call it a stream. It is a mechanical gaming keyboard, Jono. I did not game on it, but that's what it is. Wait, look, hold on. Come on. Boom, look at that. Look at that keyboard. All the cool colors. Wait, now my camera's all jacked. There we go. That'll work. See, you guys, now you guys saw what the keyboard actually looks like. You guys hear that noise all day long. It's funny because I know you guys hear me when I'm getting ready and I type out on an alert because I always try to pre-type. Guys, that's another thing about the Discord. It's not like, oh, an alert flew by. No. Before I type up the alert, for the most part, I'll get on the microphone and I'll tell you, this is what I'm looking for. This is where I'm looking to buy. This is where I'm looking to sell. This is my stop loss. Then I type up the alert and then I wait for the trade to trigger so I can hit enter. I try to get all the information out to you guys as fast as possible. Lucid. Lucid has that. I actually went over this one in pre-market today with someone that asked me about it. Lucid has this resistance point here at 4160 zone. Resistance there, resistance here. previous support zone. The one good thing it has going for it, it's holding on to this 50-day moving average. But I suspect we start to see EV kind of cool off a little bit. So I would not be surprised at all to see Lucid come on down here. You know, I wouldn't be surprised. I love that noise. Do it well. I love it. I don't know why. I love that noise. I really do. It's fun. It's like a fun noise. It makes me feel like I'm doing something. Like I'm typing. You should hear when I'm typing up the courses. All right, I type up the courses in Word documents, and then my boy Jonah makes it all nice and pretty and like whatever he uses, so that then I can record it with the video. You should hear me typing up these courses, guys. Oh, I think I must annoy my wife on the other side of the house. Probably hears them. they're deep. They are deep, and this isn't even the most like mechanical one. This is like the mid range for the noise. They have one that's quiet. I avoided that one. Then they have this one, and then they have one that's even noisier. Believe it or not, they really do. So yeah, that's what I'm thinking on Lucid for you. Jerry says it sounds like when he drops his Skittles. Skittles are tasty. Skittles are tasty. Like, you want to see what I have here in my drawer? I get hungry. And then I need something to munch on. Wait, who did this? Jonal. Oh, what is Jonal doing? Guys, if for anything, you're going to have to get into the Discord. If for anything, you're going to have to come by the Discord just for this. Let me show you what Jonal has done. He took a still from one of my videos. Oh my God, he made it a GIF. How did you do that? I want to make GIFs. And look what he did. I love that GIF. That is my new favorite GIF. And you are teaching me how to make GIFs. Guys, you have to swing by. TC2000 scanners? Yeah, that's what that is. That noise back there is my reef tank back there, guys. It's making noise because it got thirsty and it wanted more fresh water. Guys, Jonal, I've known Jonal. Jonal, how long have I known you now? My God, I've known you for what, like 18 years? No way. Dude, have I known you for like 18 years, 17 years or something like that, right? That's way too long. I need a new friend. Jerry. I think I might replace you with Jerry, but I'm unsure of that. No, not that far back, Claudio. Not that far back. I think Jonah was still in Cuba back then. But like 18 years, right? 18 years. Wow. And this is what you do. You make a GIF of me, and then you put it on the Discord. Oh my God. And you literally tagged everyone on the Discord and told them caption challenge. Unbelievable. Guys, we have way too much fun out there. And Jonal's definitely having way too much fun tonight. Way too much. Way too much fun. All right, guys. All right. That is enough for today. That is enough for today. I'm gonna get going. Jerry, it's 3. Oh my God. Working on getting a 4th one next year, Jerry. I'm about to put some work in on this GIF. All right, that's enough. I don't want to do this live anymore. I'm done. Goodbye. All right, guys. Serious talk. I'll be back on live stream tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. and I'll be live in the YouTube from 8 to 9 a.m. Okay. I stream every day, Monday through Thursday from 8 to 9. I take Fridays off. I just started doing that morning stream. When that morning stream grows and it gets really, really strong, I'll start streaming Monday through Friday. So for now, I'm doing Monday through Thursday, kind of taking Friday off. Okay. And then I also post basically a daily recap video. I didn't do one today because I was having technical difficulties with my capture software and I couldn't do the recap. So I said, you know what? I'm just going to do a live in the evening. I'm due for one anyways. So I did that. But tomorrow I'll be back on the stream from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. I'm going to try to do more of these evening streams as often as possible because I know a lot of you guys aren't able to jump in on the mornings because you're in the Discord and you can't be on the YouTube and you're at work and you can only do so much. And you're more often coming into the evening streams, right? So I'm gonna start doing those a little bit more often, okay? Tomorrow, I'll be on the morning stream, of course, from 8 to 9. Then we'll jump over to the Discord. We'll do our thing. We'll do our pre-market analysis. We'll go over everything, all the news, all the charts together. We'll start trading at 9:30. Well, I start trading 9:45, 10 o'clock because I wait for those sweet patterns that pay up to develop. So I'll wait for my patterns. We'll start trading. We'll go into recaps, live lessons on the morning. We'll go off into lunch. Then we'll come back in the afternoon at 2 p.m. And, all the while the stream keeps going. I just step away because, well, I'm a human. I need to eat and I don't trade during lunch anyways. And we'll come back at 2 p.m., look over the scans, the charts, maybe do an afternoon lesson tomorrow. And we'll just do that day in, day out, rinse and repeat. All right. Tomorrow I'll probably have a new video up here on the YouTube. So if you're new here to everything, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you're alerted when I upload my videos and when I go live. All right, guys. Thank you guys very much for joining the stream. I look forward to hanging out with you on the next one and in the Discord. So swing on by. Remember, next week we're going to be doing those free giveaways in the Discord. So swing on by. And once again, guys, I hope to catch you again when? Well, tomorrow at 8 a.m. and then again in